Alright, so we are in one of the general RV sections. We're about to check out some of these small fifth wheels. So let's go check them out. What is going on, everyone? If you're new here, my name is McKinley and my family and I have been RVing for over 15 years, so we know a thing or two about RVing. If you are interested in product reviews, traveling adventures, tips and tricks, and so much more, please consider subscribing, and if you find this video helpful, give it a like. The first RV we're taking a quick look at is the Astoria 25 ORD. I'll throw the specs up on the screen. But first up, on the outside, you've got a rear ladder, a 21-foot awning, so great coverage on the campsite, full pass-through storage, aluminum frame. You've got a mini fridge, as well as a TV mount on the exterior. Heading inside, you've got this huge U-shaped dinette that drops down into a bed, wrap-around windows, lots of cabinet space up above, and great lighting. You also have the theater seating and the slide-out, as well as tons of cabinet space. And then you also have these pull-out drawers, which, let's see, soft close. Let's try it again. Didn't really work. There we go, soft close cabinets. Then you do have your fridge in that slide, and then you have your entertainment center, which is going to have this little pull-out drawer, a fireplace below, lots of windows, TV, and then into the kitchen you have the stove top, your oven, and then a matching drawer that pulls out on the bottom. 3-burner cooktop. Love the windows in this RV. And then you've got your microwave as well as your large farmhouse sink with a flip-up countertop on the side. Heading up to the front area, you have this large bathroom. Porcelain toilet passes the test. And then you have this large shower, which it's really nice, and honestly, the height in it was amazing. I am 6 foot and I had plenty of room. Then you've got your vanity and all of that good stuff. Over here you have some cabinet space, so kind of like a dresser. Large amount of storage in this RV. That right there is in a slide out, and then you have your cabinet space up above the bed, as well as this space over here, which is prepped for washer and dryer. Alright, that is going to do it for this model. Now let's go ahead and check out the Astoria 260 RK. This one I'm really excited to check out because I personally love this floor plan. I want to hear what you guys think. This RV's got a great exterior. It's got a middle entry door, an 18-foot awning, pass-through storage to the other side, aluminum frame like the last one. You have your mini fridge and then your TV mount to the left side of the entry door. Solid steps heading inside. We've got this really nice open concept layout. This right here is amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. You've got your entertainment center across from the theater seating. You have this booth dinette in the corner. You have these cabinets up above, which do have soft close doors, which is really nice, or hinges. Then you've got your theater seating. This does recline. And then you've got this little storage space in the console of the couch. Over here is your refrigerator, lots of deep storage on the side of the fridge, and then over to the large farmhouse sink, great sprayer faucet, tons of cabinet space up above, and I love the corner windows. I love how many windows are in this fifth wheel. Heading up to the bathroom, you have the bathroom on the left side instead of the right side this time, large vanity, medicine cabinet, a great sized shower with lots of headroom and a sliding glass door, and a porcelain toilet. Now let's head up front where you have the bedroom that has lots of storage on the left side of the screen, and then you have the bed on the slide as well as a large closet up front, and then a dresser across from the bed. That right there is going to do it for the quick walkthrough of this RV. Thanks so much for touring these two Astoria fifth wheels with me. If you want to see more videos like this and more RV tours, more product reviews, traveling adventures, and so much more, hit that subscribe button and comment down below what your thoughts are on these RVs. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, we'll see you on the road.